Water-soluble silicon UMO is the atoms of life that holds us together. In this video, we will introduce to you the benefits of water-soluble silicon and how it is indispensable for anti-aging process. Are you familiar with the term silicon? It's sometimes that is also called silica, but silicon and silica are actually very different. In Japanese, silica refers to silicon dioxide, which has the chemical formula of SiO2, which means stone or glass. Of course, you can't consume in its raw material, but the central element of silica is silicon Si. It has many additional benefits for our bodies. The first company in Japan to start manufacturing water-soluble silicon UMO was APA Corporation, which holds a 90% market share of the market. The company began manufacturing water-soluble silicon about 20 years ago, recognizing its potential. Water-soluble silicon UMO has multiple functions and is backed through the industry, academia, and the collaboration with 5 universities. It's now being used not only in the fields of health and beauty, but also in medical, agricultural, and aquaculture sectors. As its kanji suggests, written as king of the soil, silicon is a mineral that is abundant in the earth. We mainly ingest it through vegetables, especially root vegetables. However, with a patented process that involves the use of crystal and biofunctional water, water-soluble silicon UMO makes it possible to consume silicon, which could previously only be obtained from food. Water-soluble silicon UMO contains about 300 times more concentrated silicon than other popular silica water, known for its beauty benefits. Silicon is an essential element for keeping our skin, hair, and nails young and healthy. That's why it's called the beauty mineral. One of silicon's primary roles in the skin is to bind components like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and elastin together. It's said that a lack of silicon can speed up aging process, and water-soluble silicon UMO has excellent antioxidant properties. Take a look at this photo. It shows 2 iron nails. One was placed in tap water and one was placed in water-soluble silicon UMO 5% diluted water for 10 years. The nails in the tap water on the left is rusty and brown, while the nails in the water-soluble silicon UMO 5% diluted water on the right remain like new even after 10 years. In other words, the photo suggests that silicon has thoroughly coating the nail and has prevented oxidation. Another test was also conducted on water-soluble silicon UMO's ability to eliminate reactive oxygen species. Reactive oxygen species are oxygen molecules that oxidize in the body, leading to aging and disease. The results of this test showed that water-soluble silicon UMO eliminated 85% of superoxide radicals and 67% of hydroxyl radicals. Additionally, Gifu University presented evidence that water-soluble silicon UMO strengthens blood vessels, as silicon coats the inside of blood vessels, preventing aging and promoting normal metabolism. The functions of water-soluble silicon doesn't stop there. It also has the ability to control glycation. Glycation occurs when excess sugar attaches to proteins and fats in the body, creating AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which cause aging. When AGEs are generated in large quantities in the body, skin, aging progress, and collagen, which helps maintain skin firmness and elasticity, are deleted. Waste products produced by glycation tend to accumulate in skin cells, causing spots and dullness. Water-soluble silicon dissolves in plasma within blood vessels, turning into interstitial fluid, coating collagen, and preventing glycation. Finally, let's address the safety issues of water-soluble silicone. While silicone offers many beauty benefits, harmful forms of silicone do exist, so it's necessary to be cautious. There are two types of silicone: crystalline silicone, which is harmful to the body, and amorphous silicone, which is safe and absorbed as a nutrient. All silicone products must not be assumed to be safe. Many of the silica water and plant-derived silica concentrate solutions available today contain harmful crystalline silicone, making them impossible to guarantee their safety. Though crystalline and amorphous silicone look identical, water-soluble silicone UMO has already been shown to be safe by university studies. Moreover, human clinical trials and safety tests on kidney function have been conducted, and it has also received halal certification, one of the most trusted international certifications. Water-soluble silicone UMO is an essential beauty mineral for anti-aging, supporting youthfulness. With its proven safety record through multiple tests, water-soluble silicone UMO offer many benefits to people who seek both health and beauty in their lives. Water-soluble silicone UMO is essential in achieving a beautiful and healthy daily lifestyle with a safe and highly functional product. Water-soluble silicone UMO